Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this high pressure cleaner from Hyundai. This is the model ΗPW165B. And let's see some of the main specs, key features. 220 volt, 2200 watt is the motor. Bar is 110 to 165 bar. And we've got 360 liters per hour. Some accessories included inside, we're gonna find out together as we are opening the box. 2 years warranty from Hyundai, and let's open it to see what we have inside. Inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Here is the wheel with a high pressure hose. We are going to assemble it together. And there is the main unit, huge unit, our blaster gun, some screw for assembly, and there is the unit, beautiful blue with black and some gray. Now let's assemble in that. Just slide it here. Very easy to assemble. You've got two screws. They need to go here. And that was the assembly. Here you've got the handle you can carry on, the wheel for the high pressure tube. Now we've got this to plastic. This is for the high pressure gun and for your cable. It will go here. Okay. And the other. And it locks. Now at the base you need to install this in for the main water supply. We can see we've got a rubber inside, rubber here to prevent any water leaks. Just take your time, because this is a plastic, you don't want to screw the connections. And we're okay. At the back we've got the container for the soap. Take this out, fill your soap that you want, and we've got a filter inside, the tube, close it, and put it in the right position. Now here we've got a spray gun. Very easy to install. Just press it inside, press and turn. We've got the trigger, we've got a lock, push it and it will work. Push it again and it will lock. Now at the spray gun we've got two nozzles. The first nozzle, it is narrow high impact stream nozzle. And the second, at the gun, we've got the white fan pattern, and you can adjust it that by turning this, and you can see it's open and close. To replace that, just push this button, insert the other, and it locks. Very easy. And here we've got the connection for our hose, but first we need to connect this here. This is the output for the water, the high pressure water that it goes to the high pressure hose. And we can see of course we've got rubber inside, prevent any leaks, plastic and metal, very good construction I can say. Just press it. And then screw it very well. And we've got this rubber all the way inside. And of course we've got the on-off switch. And there we've got the cable for the power supply. It is 4 meters. You can put it here. And here, of course, we've got the out to connect to your gun, high pressure gun. And you can connect your gun here, press it, and very easy to connect. Push this plastic and disconnect. You can put your gun here, very convenient place, and everything fits very well. And now to put it in the wheel, this high pressure hose, you just want the connection to the high pressure gun, lock it here, and voila! And from the back, you've got these 4 holes. If you want, you can insert the other nozzle here. Take this out. And put the gun here. It is your choice how you want to have your accessories in this unit. The high pressure hose is about 5 meters. It's very convenient, long high pressure hose. Definitely it will help you to do the job. By the first look I can say it's very durable, and with the wheels you can move it around very easy. Very affordable. For 2200 watts motor, it costs about 100 to 120 euros. And where you can use it? Well, where you can use it for your car, for your RV. Maybe you want to clean your bus if you've got a long vehicle, your truck. You can wash your backyard, your basement, your garage, your store, your front yard, your backyard. Maybe you want to clean your tiles, the joints of the tiles, the marble, stones. There are so many applications that you can consider to use this high pressure unit. And for me today, I'm going to clean my car, and I have some dirt to my cement in my front yard, 10 years of dirt, and I'm sure it will do a great job to clean that. Well, let's move on for test. Okay, here we are, let's turn it on. Now let's start cleaning the wheel. And now let's clean the 10 years of dirt. change to the other nozzle, the blaster. Nice, doing a great job, I can say, and with a blaster I think he's doing a better job. It's cleaning very fast and very easy the 10 years of dirt. Now you can fill the container with soap as much as you want. And of course you need to take some water inside because it needs to be liquid with the soap. Yeah. And there we go. And you're good to go with the foam, and you can clean all your car without a problem. It will be wisely to use soap in a more liquid form. That's how it will be more easy for the pressure washer to take the soap out and use it when you want. Well guys, that was the high pressure washer from Hyundai. You have seen how it can clean 10 years of dirt from the cement. And cleaning my car, it was very easy. And by using the container for the soap, it makes more easy to clean your car. The high pressure washer that comes out with these two nozzles is very easy to clean any dirt of any surface, definitely. Well, thumbs up, good manufacturer, good materials, and the cost is very good. If you need something like that to have to your place and use it at the time that you need more, well, just buy it. For me, thumbs up. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like what you like, my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.